Hello guys, welcome to the video where I'm gonna briefly go over how to upgrade the RAM or the SSD inside an MSI GE72 laptop. And as an example, I'm actually going to upgrade my optical disk drive to an SSD. So basically I have this um, optical disk drive caddy that I bought online, and I'm gonna replace my optical disk drive with that caddy with an SSD or a hard drive, a SATA hard drive inside it. So that's what I'm gonna go over. So stay tuned. All right, so you need like a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm gonna quickly open all these screws in the back, and you see all the screws, and there is one that is for the tamper resistant sticker. So let me open this up. In here you can see all the different slots. So this one is the M.2 SSD slot. This is the RAM. There are two slots for that. This is the SSD SATA, and that's the CPU cooler, and then you have the GPU cooler. Now I'm gonna go over to the optical disk drive and remove it. So there you go, that's the optical disk drive that came with the laptop. It's just a CD DVD drive that I no longer want to use. And this one here is actually a caddy that has a normal 7200 RPM 1 terabyte hard drive, SATA hard drive that I just installed. So I'm gonna put this back into the laptop. This is the optical disk drive, and you can see the shapes are pretty similar. All right, so let me put this in the laptop, and I'm gonna put the back panel back in, put all the screws in. Laptop is ready. All right, let's go to the BIOS. So let's look at the storage information in the BIOS. And there you go, I have the two SSDs and one hard drive. The HGST is the 1 terabyte hard drive that I just put in the optical disk drive caddy. So that shows up fine, pretty good. Let's go to the BIOS boot options. And there you go. This one only shows me the Samsung SSD. Let's go to the priorities. There you go. So yeah, I can see both the bootable hard drives in there. One is an SSD and the other one is the 1 terabyte hard drive. So let me escape and reboot my laptop, go back into Windows. Let me log in quickly. All right, let's go to computer management. Well, let's first look at the Explorer. I can see those two partitions in that 1 terabyte hard drive. Now let's go to computer management. All right. So I just want to see all my 3 disks appearing properly. Disk management. So there you go. I have my SSD and hard drive shows up. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and hope this comes handy if you plan on opening and upgrading your laptop. You will void the you will not really void the warranty, but you'll have to remove the sticker or break the sticker on the back panel. But I think I read somewhere online that MSI will still honor the warranty as long as you don't break anything inside. So hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.